What is an IRS tax levy on wages? Imagine waking up to find part of your paycheck missing without warning. That's what an IRS tax levy on wages can feel like. It's a way the government collects unpaid taxes directly from your employer. When the IRS notices you owe back taxes and you haven't paid after several notices, they can send a final warning called a notice of intent to levy. If you still don't settle the debt, the IRS can move forward with a wage levy. This means they instruct your employer to hold back a portion of your wages and send it straight to the IRS. The amount they can take depends on your total wages and your filing status. The IRS uses federal tax withholding tables to decide how much is exempt from garnishment, so you can still cover basic living expenses. Employers are required to provide employees with a form to confirm their dependence and filing status within 3 days. If you don't respond, the IRS assumes you have the lowest exemption, which can increase the amount they take. The levy applies to all types of compensation, including regular salary, bonuses, commissions, and fees. If you get paid separately for bonuses or other supplemental income, those are fully subject to levy. The IRS can keep the levy in place until your tax debt is fully paid or until they decide to release it. Employers must act quickly once they receive the levy notice, usually within one pay period. They need to withhold the correct amount, respecting the exempt amount for your living expenses. It's important for employers not to discriminate or retaliate against employees because of a wage levy. Federal law strictly prohibits firing or penalizing workers just because of a garnishment for unpaid taxes. If you're facing a wage levy, it's best to contact the IRS promptly. You can discuss payment options or ask for releases of the levy if you're able to make arrangements. Employers act as third parties in this process, and following the IRS instructions carefully helps avoid penalties. Remember, wage garnishments for federal tax debts are a legal way for the government to collect what's owed, and understanding how they work can help you navigate the situation better.